Damn it. Zoom out. I'm gonna have to. What? Oops. I don't have any socks on. But oh well. Actually, I can just tuck my pants into my shoes. That makes me much better. Oh my god. Man, there's so much snow. I haven't seen anything like this in a long time. Oh, look at this. Oops. Whoa. Wow. So much snow. Oh my god. This is a miracle. Oh, should have worn gloves. I don't have any gloves. I used to have gloves a long time ago. But since global warming and shit, I have to clean off my dish so I can get internet. Oh, jeez, there's an icicle. Wait, is this water? And it's above freezing. Whoa. Wait, is it blurry?